Hello guys, welcome to Cracko video series. In today's video, we'll be discussing about some tips that will help you improve your speed during the MAH CET exam. So firstly, if you look at the exam pattern, as we know, there are 4 sections. We have logical reasoning with 75 questions, there's abstract reasoning with 25 questions, and we have quant and verbal section with 50 questions each. So there are totally 200 questions in the exam. And you have 150 minutes. Which means you will be having less than 1 minute per question, and this is what makes CET a speed based exam, and hence speed becomes extremely crucial in an exam like CET. Right. So to improve the speed, firstly start with brushing up your concepts. So the key thing here is to have strong fundamentals. So if you're familiar with the questions, you can solve them quickly, and this helps save a lot of time during the exam. And practice is the only way. Practicing variety of questions is the only way that helps you be more familiar with a lot of questions. And for quantitative aptitude specifically, the critical thing here is to have strong fundamentals. So once you have strong fundamentals in place, practice more sums and try using different ways to solve a particular problem. In this way, try to find a faster way to solve a problem, and this helps you save a lot of time during the exam. And apart from that, spend around 20 minutes doing mental calculations every day. And these can be simple mental calculations like simple multiplications, additions and subtractions and so on. Now for DI questions, try solving using approximate calculations. So approximations play a vital role in an exam like CET, and this helps you save a lot of time. So you should be very fast at doing approximations, and you should try to mark the closest answer when it comes to the DI questions. Now when it comes to RCs, there is no substitute to reading when it comes to improving speed in RCs. So you have to just make sure you read every day to improve your speed. Try to read from different sources, and a fast reading ability also helps you in other sections as well, because CET is a speed based exam. So if you have a fast reading ability, you can read the questions quickly from other sections, this will help you save a lot of time. Now when it comes to logical reasoning, solving in an organized manner is the key. So if you represent the data in a proper manner, you don't have to go back to the conditions again and again, and that will help you save time here. Now for abstract reasoning, a simple way to improve your speed here is to practice multiple number of questions from this section. Now coming to the mocks, solving more mocks and analyzing them is very important in a speed based exam like CET. So you have to do a thorough mock analysis, and most importantly, just you have to see the time spent for each question. So just see which questions you are spending more time on, the easy questions you missed during the exam, and by identifying that and working on your weaknesses, you can definitely improve your speed over time. And also after doing a thorough mock analysis, practice those sections which you find most challenging. And finally, you need to have a right balance between speed and accuracy, because there's no point in solving with higher speed but with lesser accuracy. So you need to maintain both speed and accuracy simultaneously. So speed automatically improves when you have strong fundamentals in place and you keep practicing a lot of questions, because MAH CET is not a really tough exam when you compare it with other MBA exams like CAT. So the only challenge here is you have to solve 200 questions in 150 minutes. So which is not easy. So taking a lot of mocks and analyzing them thoroughly and doing a lot of practice is the only way in which you can enhance your speed in the exam. And that way you'll also be able to attempt more questions, and hence you'll be able to maximize your scores. So these are some tips that will help you improve your speed during the exam. So thank you so much guys, and all the best for your preparation.